Hello! Hello, everyone. Um, uh, this week was pretty uneventful. Um, took the ACT on Saturday, and that went surprisingly well. The language arts I felt like was really easy. There was one I know I got wrong because later had to copy a statement, and I was like, dang it, I didn't use the right form there, but that's okay. One's not going to make that big a difference for a sophomore year ACT score. And then math, there's only one I had to completely guess on, and then everything else it was at least an educated guess, and those were pretty minimized as well. So there was a alarming amount of triangles and like supplementary angles. I don't know why. Like that was the easiest thing. I'm not complaining. And then after like we had our little break, and then we took reading, which by the natural science section, the last section, I'm just like done. And so I just kind of guessed on a few of those, and then I went back and read through the passage, and it turns out I'd guessed right, so that's exciting, I suppose. And then the science test was like, I didn't get finished with it. I guess at the end on the last few questions, but otherwise, I did take my time on the ones I did answer, so I know I got pretty much all of those right, or at least I think I got them right. I worked to the best of my ability. So, and that'll also help with scoring. Like, I thinking that I got all of them right is then making me, like, when I get the scores back, I'll know exactly. We opted to get the version so you get the test booklet and you know exactly what you missed. And so, I'll know, what I need to work on. To guess on anything. And then the essay portion was on casual dress and formal dress, how like people used to wear dresses and suits to go out to the movies or go shopping, and now we typically wear like t-shirts and jeans, and that was an interesting topic, I suppose. It's kind of hard to write a lot on that. So I didn't have a lot to say. I mean, I think of clothing as like personal choice, and one perspective said that if you dress casually in public, it's a sign of lack of respect for others or lack of respect for yourself. I don't believe that to be true. And that the other ones basically both said the same thing along the lines of casual dress shows in America shows we're all equal. Yes, because a country founded upon slavery is definitely all for equality. And then the other one said something ridiculous like that too. So I didn't really agree with any of them. And I doubt I did very well on that essay because there's about 10 minutes left, and I really just wanted to erase it all, and I knew exactly what I would have said if I could have started over, but I knew I did not have time to erase that much, nonetheless write that all again, and so I just left it, and next year I'll start worrying about it. But so that's let's see, that was that. And then I worked at the racetrack on Saturday night, and it was very cold, and it was not busy at all, and I still made like $10 in tips plus my like hourly wage. And so imagine Nationals week, how many tips I'm gonna make. So we're taking all those tips and going on an adventure at some point before you leave, and otherwise we'll save them for winter break adventures or something, because I'll be probably making bank. But yeah, that's it for this video. Not that much happened this week. This was still 4 minutes long. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna edit this because it probably won't even get uploaded until like Tuesday, because I have a meet tonight. So, on that note, goodbye. Love you. See